Okay, sir.
Please switch on your video. And very good morning to all of you. Once again, I do welcome you in my class. Today, we were learning about MySQL functions. We have seen some of the character functions, some of the string-based functions. Meanwhile, I should continue. I must bring in your kind information about the function. What is function? Function is a predefined statement. What is function? It is predefined statement. Okay, which accept three things you learn about the function. We learn three things about the function. The first very thing which we learn about the function is that function is function. The three things which we learn about the function. The first thing which we learn, it is predefined. Predefined, right? What is this? This is predefined. Okay, it is predefined. Okay, then second, Pallavi, you will understand it. You will try to learn it. Same, predefined. Okay, it is predefined. Second thing, it accept. Oh my God, it accepts some value, yeah, values. Third things, it also, wait 1 minute, it also return a value. It also return a value, right? This is all about the function. Function is a predefined statement which accepts some value, which perform. इसके बाद एक लाइन बीच में और हम यहाँ पर अगर एंट्री कर देंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा हो जाएगा. It perform given work and it also return a value. I hope it is clear. We have seen the function of various types. This was all about the function. Now we will come to the our screen. Let me what he's saying. आपका माइक से स्पीच आवाज आ रहा है. What happened? What's wrong? Unmute yourself, everybody. Tell me whether I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Problem? नहीं आ रहा होगा. अब ठीक है. You can send me in the chat mode whether I am audible, clear. If I am audible, quite clear. Okay. Okay, Janath. Thank you. Now, let's see. Okay. Now we will come to the our screen and so forgetting the name of the database which I was using, hence I am using Sqrt databases, right? So which database I was using? I was using Sqrt database. It has given me the list, so I was using this database. Okay, I was using this database. I will write here use class XI, right? You can see database sense. I will see 4 tables, right? I was using this table. It is stored. In order to see the structure of table, what was the structure? This stud stood, right? This is right. Right. Okay. So let me revise. Yesterday we have seen the use of some of the functions. Now today we will see the use of mathematical functions. So the first mathematical function which we will learn, Palvi, you will understand it very easy, okay? And I don't think you will face any problem. Just you observe it. The first mathematical function which we have seen, I will start from the mathematical function. However, I have calculated it. However, I have taught it yesterday. The first mathematical function is length, right? Palvi, you try to learn it. First mathematical function is length, L-E-N-G-T-H. Its spelling is length. Okay, this is one function, length. Now, what is this length function? What it does? It accepts one string. It accepts one string, right? Let's see here. Length. This is about the length function. Okay, what it does? Length. It accept a string. I have already told you that function accept a value. So what it accepts? It accepts a string. Okay. Now and calculate the number of character in a string. And I told you what it does. In the definition, I have told you that it is a predefined for length. This is predefined. Now it accepts a string. It calculates the number of character and return a number. Return a number. Okay. Now let's see, Pallavi. Only for you, I am teaching you this thing. Okay. Oh, now you see here. Let's see. Select. I'm going to write here. Select L-E-N-G-T-H, length. Now I am writing here Pallavi. Okay, P-A-L-L-A-V-I. Now Pallavi, what it will return? Tell me. Pallavi, unmute yourself. Raise your hand. Pallavi, raise your hand. Unmute yourself. Okay. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What it will return? Tell me. I have
Sir,
written.
number of character.
How many characters are here?
So, 1, 2, 3, 7.
7. So definitely you are right. Oh. Why it is what error it is giving? You just learn from error. I will tell you to learn from the error. What error we are getting? Function class 11 length does not exist. You see the error. Now this is the name of my database. This is the name of my database. And what here? Here you will see length, L-E-N-G-H-T. What I have written? L-E-N-G-H-T. And what is my spelling? You see here, spelling it should be this. So where is the error? Tell me, Palvi. Where is the error? Tell me. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Swasti, where is error? Suraj, batao. Suraj. Sukriti, where is the error?
Spelling mistake.
स्पेलिंग में एरर है. तो चलो इसको थोड़ा हम लोग सही कर देते हैं. ठीक है, इसको हम लोग सही करते हैं. इस एरर से सब सीखना चाहिए, इस सबसे समझ में आएगा. Okay, now let's make it clear. Now we are going to write once again. See, L-E-N-G-H. Okay, Pallavi, you see, you have told 7. So, Pallavi, you are right. It is returning 7. You can see here what it has returned. It has returned 7. So, I hope you have understood. It has returned 7. Now, you can see here, it has returned length Pallavi. As I have written here, same it is being. As I have written here, same it is being displayed here. I want to change it. I want to change. Okay, I want to change. So what I will do? What I will do? You see here. Select length. My length. I will write my length. Okay. You can see now it has been replaced with the, now you can see it has been replaced in this case, it is replaced by my length. You can see here, it is my length. Since I have specified to display this, right? I hope you have got the length is clear to you. Now we will see the another function. After length, we have the other function that is left. Okay, we will left. See here left. Pallavi, select left, and I'm writing PALLAVI. Right. So 3. Now it what it will does? It will select the number of given character from the left side. Okay. So here we have the function that is left. Okay, left. So what left will do? Left, this, it it takes two two values as input, as input. First, it takes two value as input, one string and another number. Right? What is take? I had told you. Now, and it returned the number of it returned the given number of character from left left side of string. I hope it is clear. You would have taken it down. So let's see. So I have written Pallavi 3. What it will return? Can anybody say? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. What it will does? Can you say? Who will say? Ayush. Can you say what it will return? Ayush Jainath. Ayush Jainath. Unmute yourself, Ayush.
Yes,
Jainath.
sir.
What it will return? Suraj.
L, sir.
What it will return? What
Third letter, sir.
it will return. It will return PAL, right? You see,
Yes, sir.
it has returned PAL. Similarly, right also work like this. Uh, similarly, right also works in same. Select, right, PALLAVI. So what it will return? Tell me what it will return. Pallavi.
PAL.
No, I have written right. So it will return the given number of character from right side. It will return AVI. You can see it has returned AVI. I hope it is clear. So left, right, I have taught you. Okay. Then substring, I have taught you. These two are left. Now come to the mod. Now come to the sum of the mathematical functions. Okay, come toward the mathematical functions. Under mathematical functions, you see here, under the mathematical function, we will learn mathematical function. Under mathematical functions, we will learn first one, we will learn about mod. First, we'll learn about the MOD mod. It is mod. It is read as the modulus operator. Second, we will learn about after mod. We will learn about the power. It is also called as POW. Power, 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 or it is also called as POW. Okay, after power, we will learn about after power, we will learn about round. Okay, we will learn about round. Okay, round. We will learn about round. Okay, and after this, we will learn about sine. We will learn about next. Learn about Sine, you must take it down. Sine and Sqrt. We will also learn about Sqrt. We will also learn about Sqrt. Sqrt. We will also learn about truncate. We will learn about truncate. And the last which we will learn that about the truncate. Learn about truncate. Okay, so these are the functions which we will learn. These are the some of the mathematical functions. So first we will learn about the modulus operator. Modulus. Mod stands for modulus. We read it modulus. Modulus. Okay. Now suppose I write like this 7 modulus 2. So it can be 7 modulus 2. It will give 1. Like 2 divided by 7. 2 3s are 6. It will give 1. This is the return. This is the return of the modulus operator. So 7 modulus 2, it is read like this. We can write like this mod 7 comma 2 and it will return 1. I hope you have understood what is the use of the modulus operator. Modulus operator accepts two numbers and it returns the remainder of first number divided by second number. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then we have the power. Okay, then we have the power I have taught you yesterday. Let me erase it first from here. I have taught you the modulus operator. Then we have the next, that is power. So power can be read like this. Suppose I have written it accept again two number 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to 9. Same will be written like this. Power 3 comma 2 and it will return the 9. Simple we should write select power. I hope you have got. Now power, it accepts two numbers, the first number and second number. It returns the value as a second number raised to the first number. Okay, it returned the power of first number raised to the second number. I hope you have got it. So next which we need to learn, that is Sqrt. Okay, second next which we wish to learn, that is about the Sqrt, right? Select the it gives us the square root. Here is the square Sqrt. It gives the square root, like we write 25 like this. So it gives 5. The same this could be written as this 25 could be written as select Sqrt 25 and it will return 5. I hope you have understood this modulus, this power and this Sqrt. I hope it is clear to you all. The next to it is the round. Okay, now rounding off. We must have studied about the rounding off in uh, our early education. Round off the number nearest to the 10. Now suppose if I say you to round this number to the, I told you that round this 15 nearest to the 10. 14, sorry, not 15. I have told 14, round it nearest to the 10, so it will be 10. Suppose I told 16, then it will be rounded 20. I told suppose 14.6, it will be round nearest. Decimal need to round the decimal, so it will be 15. If I said you to round 15.3, then it will be 15. If I say 15.8, it will be 16. So this is we are rounding the decimal near to the near, we are rounding the decimal. Okay, I hope you have understood it. So similarly, we will round the decimal. Now round it except two parameter. You can see here, round except two parameter, round. Okay, now suppose I have written 15.234 and I have given 1. So what it will do? It will give 15.2. Okay, it will give 15.2. It will round. Let's see it practically. Okay, let's see it practically. So what I have written, I will write round, select round 15.234. Okay, and then after separating it with comma, I have provided 1. So see what happened. Okay, I have not given semicolon, so it is giving 15.2. Okay, but it is giving 15.2. So decimal, it has removed the matlab it has 1. What I have written? I have written 1. You can see here, student. I have written here 1. Okay, 1. So this is rounding nearest to the 1 decimal point. Next we can see. I am writing here 2 and observe the result. Observe the result. You can see it is 15.23. So it is rounding. It when we write here 2, when we have written here 2. So what does it mean? Writing 2 means rounding nearest to the 2 decimal point. Okay. Similarly, I hope you would have understood it. Round. Okay. Then I have taught you mod power round. Then we have the another function to learn, that is sine. Okay, it returned the sign of given number. Okay, it returned the sign of the given number. Let's see. Select, I do write it here. Select select sine select sine minus 15. Okay, select sine minus 15. Okay, minus 15. Or here I have written, you can see it is minus 1. Okay, when your value is in negative, it will return minus 1. Now suppose I have written uh, select select sine select sine 15. You see here what it will oh again. Select, I have written the what is error? Who will say here? Let's learn from the error. Who will say what is error? Please raise your hand. Ayush, can you say what is error here? Unmute. Ayush, Jana, Sukriti, Suraj, Swasti,
Select
anybody? Bolo,
select
where is there?
select.
Okay,
So
select.
minus
No, select SIGN and I am writing here 15. Okay, you see here it is giving +1. When there was minus, the sign has returned here -1. When it is plus, it is returning 1. Now suppose I do write select, suppose I write select uh, sine select sine 0 0. So what it will give? It will give 0. So sign return when the value of the sign return -1. When the value of given number is in minus, it return -1. When the value of given number is in 0, it returns 0. When the value of a number is greater than 1, it returns +1. So this was all about the sign. Next and the last, that is about the, I hope sign is clear to you. A square root I have taught you. Next is the truncate. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. I hope it is clear to you all. One by one, you will tell, let me know. Next and the last, that is truncate. Okay, next and the last, that is truncate. This function return a number with some digit truncated. ठीक है, this ऐसा करो बच्चों, पहले देखो ट्रंकेट का मतलब क्या होता है, रिमूव करना. ठीक है, तो ट्रंकेट, लेट मी राइट हियर व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ ट्रंकेट. ओके, truncate, truncate. Okay, now what it does, it return the value of argument in truncated. it return it return the it returned a value of argument argument it returned the value of argument n truncated to m decimal point, to decimal m decimal point, right? This is okay. So I hope you must not have understood it. ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे, यहाँ पर लिखेंगे truncate 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 n comma m. Okay, here we have written like this. So what it does, you can see what I have written on the screen. It returned the value of argument n truncated to m decimal point, n truncated to m decimal point. Okay, n truncated to m decimal point, right? You can see here. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose we write select truncate. Suppose we write select truncate, and here we have written 15.79 truncated to 1. So what it will return? It will return 15.7. So what it will return? 15.7. Okay, 15.7. Okay, next 15.7. Next we have, I hope it is clear to you. So it truncate. Next we have truncate to the nearest tens place. ठीक है, तो suppose here we write select truncate. Suppose here we have written 15.79, and here I have written -1. So what it will does? It will truncate to the, it will give 10. Okay, what it will give? It will give 10. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's see it practically. We will see it practically. Select truncate 15.79 comma 1 I had given. Okay, now you can see, now it has given 15.7. Second, if I'm writing select truncate, I'm changing the sign. Select truncate 15.79, and I am writing -1. So what it will give? You can see it is giving 10. Okay, let's suppose I'm writing select truncate 37.1. Yeah, suppose I'm writing 37.1 and I'm writing -1. Okay, so what it is? It is truncating nearest to the 10 decimal. Okay, it is giving 30. Now I hope it is clear to you. So truncate is clear to you. So it is all over about the numeric function. Now we have some of the date and time function. This is very important. Date and time function. Similarly, we will learn about date and time function. Okay, date oblique time, date and time function, date and time function. So we will see each one of them separately. Let's draw the date and time. First we will see cur date. First we will see cur date. Currdate. Cur date. It is also called as current date. Current date. I will show you. You must write it in your copy as I am writing. Okay, current date. So this is one. Okay, and after the cur date, it is after the cur date. We have the next. It is very important. It is very important. You must take it down. First, I have written about the cur date. Second, we will learn about. We will learn about that is month. It is very important. Question will come from this month. Second, we will learn about month. Then we will learn about month name. Month. We will learn about month name, right? Month name and month name. And after this, we will learn about day. We will learn about day, right? We will learn about day. Then we will learn about year. डे चलो एक और इसमें डाल देते हैं डे नेम ओके डे नेम जैसे मंथ नेम है ठीक उसी प्रकार से डे नेम आ जाएगा ठीक है मंथ नेम डे नेम फिर उसके बाद आ जाएगा डे ऑफ मंथ डे ऑफ डे ऑफ मंथ डे ऑफ मंथ फिर उसके बाद डे ऑफ वीक डे ऑफ डे ऑफ वीक day of week and then day of year day of year then day of year okay and one thing is one more function that is year this is year and the last it will be now so let's see now we have the last that is now so we will see each of them separately one by one cur date stands for current date current date means you can see in my system it is 28/1/2002 so current date it display the current date of the system right it display the current date now you see here let's see here it display the current date first select cur date select cur date you can see here cur date the spelling is I think it is wrong let's see CURDAT select cur date select cur date select cur date you can see the today's date in my system if my system is visible to you so the current date in my system is 28 January 2022 this is the current date okay so cur date display the current date okay I hope this is clear to you the same function is done by this and this it display the current date next is month okay next is month so what I will write select month see here select month suppose I write cur date select month I write cur date you can see it is writing 1 so cur is a month return the number of months altogether we are having 12 months okay we are having 12 months so if the in given date in given date, if in given date month is January, it will return one. If given date, if in given date month is February, it will return 2. It will return 2. I hope. Let's see another example. Select month. Suppose I write 15/5/2022. Okay. So I think date is not appropriate format. We will have to give it in the appropriate format. It is YY. The appropriate format for providing date is YYYMMDD. पहले ईयर लिखना होगा, फिर मंथ लिखना होगा, फिर डेट। बस इसी चीज को हम दोबारा लिखते हैं। ठीक है, इसी चीज को हम दोबारा लिखते हैं। सेलेक्ट मंथ 2021 05/15। ठीक है, देखो 5 दिया। ठीक है, तो इट हैज रिटर्न 5। ठीक है, इट हैज रिटर्न 5। देखो यहाँ पर ये 5 दिया है, यहाँ पर देख लो। ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखो 5 दिया है। अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर्मेट यहाँ पर है इसके हिसाब से। ठीक है, तो ये 5 रिटर्न करेगा। ठीक है, मंथ हो गया। अब इसी के जगह पर अगर हम मंथ नेम लिखेंगे तो ये 5वां महीने का नाम लिख देगा। सेलेक्ट मंथ नेम, और ठीक इसी प्रकार से लिखते हैं 2021 और 05/15। it will return May. Okay, it will return May. It is very important question. You can see. देखो May यहाँ पर रिटर्न किया। ठीक है, तो remaining we will deal it tomorrow. Till then, I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
We will deal it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Till then, take care. Goodbye. Do
Bye, sir.
revise it. Okay.